Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to use the blend feature in the PTC Creo Parametric. Go to sketch, select a plane and reorient it. So basically there are two type of blend, that is having same sketches on different plane. Same sketches mean both the circles or both the rectangles or both the closed entities. In that case we do not need to divide that particular section into particular portions. This is because both the sketches are same. So let's get started with the first type of blend, and let's say the dimensions are 40. Take a reference plane and sketch another circle and hit OK. Now what I'm gonna do, go to shapes and select blend. Basically there are two options in sketch sections and selected sections. Sketch section means you have sketched first section and then you need to sketch another section at a certain offset. In selected sections, both these sketches are created on different planes. So I'm going to choose selected sections and select that sketch. Similarly insert, select that sketch and hit OK. So basically this is the first type of blend, that is the same sketch blend, as I would say. Now for second type of blend, select sketch, plane and select a rectangle of dimensions, let's say 30 by 30, that is a square. Now hit OK. Now take a datum plane from front at same distance as that of previous and sketch a circle. Let's say the dimension is 30 and you make sure to divide this circle in 4 equal proportions. This is because of the fact that circle has 4 points. So what you need to do, go to shape, select blend, selected section and insert, select this and hit OK. So basically this is the second type of the blend, that is the different geometry blend, in which you need to divide the circle in 4 different portions because of the fact that rectangle has 4 points. I hope you like this tutorial. Thanks for watching.